Hopefully until now, I've presented public relations practitioners as hardworking, trustworthy professionals. Such a positive perception by journalists hasn't always been the case. In my public relations course in college, I had to answer an essay question that was essentially, how do you sleep at night with all the lies you tell about your client? I told them I slept just fine because as a PR person, I would be honest and accurate in all communications. I acted promptly to correct any erroneous communication, and I avoided deceptive practices, like the ones we'll learn in a minute. Sometimes companies do bad things, or even very bad, illegal, and deadly things, and PR folks have to deal with them. Now, they don't lie exactly, but instead they spin the truth, which earns them the nickname spin doctors. Now, some of those spins include doublespeak. This is any language deliberately crafted to disguise, distort, or evade the truth, including euphemisms. These are inoffensive terms substituted for harsher words. It's like calling something ethnic cleansing instead of the much harsher genocide. Then there's cherry picking, the technique of selecting only facts that support your argument, while ignoring the majority of facts that don't. It's like focusing on the A you got in bowling when you failed all of your other classes. And finally, managing the news. Engaging in unethical tactics, such as planting questions at a press conference, announcing damaging news on Friday afternoons when the news is least likely to pay attention, bribing columnists to support certain policies, leaking information, or even threatening sources or editors.